Preparing yourself for the work field can become very strenuous. At the HCC Stafford campus, the library provides an opportunity to help you take a load off your hand.
We all know what a portfolio is. A portfolio is an example of your best work. An e-portfolio is an electronic portfolio. Especially in this day and age, some things don't transfer to just having a paper portfolio. It's especially helpful because instead of having a paper portfolio and showing someone and then needing to take that portfolio home with you, you can give someone a link to your work and you can show them what you've done. Now, there are two different types of portfolios. There are student portfolios and there are professional portfolios. A student portfolio usually shows where you started off and how far you've come, because a student portfolio is normally used for grading purposes, so they want to see how far you've come. The nice thing, though, about a student portfolio is that it can easily transition to a professional portfolio, which is the type of portfolio you would use if you're trying to find a job. The e-portfolio workshops are done in 3 separate segments. The first segment is how to create a resume, because that would be one of the things you want to put on a professional portfolio. So we walk you through how to do a basic resume. The second workshop is how do you create a portfolio? What goes in a portfolio? So we collect our materials, and I also show you a way to put some of your materials in Canvas for a temporary portfolio. But then the third workshop, it covers WordPress. And WordPress is a very easy way to create a website without having to know a lot of coding. So I show you how to do that and take all your information and create an electronic portfolio.
Obtaining the necessary tools needed at first hand.
There are certain things that we've discovered that students really do need to know, and yet where are you going to learn this? Sure, you can pick up a book, and there are YouTube videos, but sometimes it's just really helpful to have someone sit down next to you and go, this is what you need to do, and here are some of the things you need to especially pay attention to, and here's what you need to avoid.
HCC student shares her insights about the workshop.
In the workshop today, we are trained about creating our electronic portfolio through WordPress. And 2 days ago, I also attended the workshop of making the resume and create the electronic portfolio in our Canvas account. And I feel that the workshop is very useful.
There are a couple different ways you can find out what's going on in the library. The easiest way is to actually come to the library. There is a bulletin board outside which will list events that are going to happen. But if you can't make it to the library, we do have a website. If you go to the library homepage, there's a link on there that says About Us, and you can look at library events. Now, one of the things you need to keep in mind is that it shows all the library events across the district. So there is a way to choose the Stafford calendar, and you can see what's happening right here.
For more information about future events held at the library, please visit www.hccs.edu. For HCC Beat, I'm Raquel Sims.